Okay, today I'm going to show you how to do a bit of gardening, plant your own stuff. Here I got buckets with bags in them. I've already put soil into them. This is the easy way to do it, because if you put it just down in the bucket, you go to plant it and everything is just going to break apart. I learned my lesson the hard way like that. I've got a lettuce that I've put in water and is growing new lettuce, so I'm going to plant that into this. And you see all the roots. You can always regrow lettuce from your local store. You just chop off the bottom and that's what you're going to get. And I'm just planting it in this for now, and then when the weather warms up and it's time for planting, I'll put the bag down, dig a hole, put the bag into the ground, and then all you got to do is just tear the bag away and it goes in neat and tidy without all of this breaking apart around the plant. And also I'll show you one more. I've taken the top off carrots and got new shoots growing, and I'm going to put that into the second bucket. This is all really easy. You can do this yourself. Just cover it up. Don't try to cover the shoots too much, which I'm doing. I gotta cover the roots. Okay. Here's another one. Just cover up a little bit. Try to keep the shoots out if you can, because if you bury them, it's probably going to kill it. Okay, there's the next one. And there you go. There's 4 carrots in there. And when planting season comes, I'll just take this right out of the bucket, dig a hole for them in the ground, put the bag down the ground, just tear the bag away, and you got your own carrots. Because it's no good to put it down in the bucket. As soon as you pull the ground out of the bucket, it's going to tear apart the shoots and plants. Okay, and I also got some garlic bulbs growing. I bought some garlic from the store. A couple had a little bit of shoots, so I just pushed it down into the ground, and now they're starting to grow. Now I gotta water that in a few minutes. And I've also got an apple tree. I planted seeds from an apple I had, and now I got a little tree growing. I just gotta transplant it because it's starting to get root bound. I've got a pot right here. I'm gonna put some ground in. I got a bag of soil here next to me. Put it in a bigger pot. And then when the summer comes, or like late in spring, I'll transplant the tree. And I'll have my own apple tree. Now I do have a big tree in my backyard. It's probably about 7 feet tall right now. I started off just like this. So this is just some easy, simple ways you can grow your own vegetables from the grocery stores. All you have to do is just top off the top of the carrots, the bottom of a lettuce. And when you buy garlic bulbs, if you've got like little shoots on top, just push it down to the ground and you can grow your own vegetables.